Today's topic is plant growth regulators. What is plant growth regulators? Plant growth regulators are plant hormones. There are five main classes of plant growth regulators: auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins, abscisic acid, and ethylene. First of all, I would like to discuss about the what is auxin. And auxin promotes both cell division and cell growth. So auxin is responsible for the rooting process in the plant. And indole 3 acetic acid and indole 3 butyric acid are the example of natural auxins. And 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is the example of artificial auxins. Next comes cytokinin. Cytokinin also promotes the cell division, but this hormones is responsible for the shooting process in the plant. And zeatin and kinetin are the example of the cytokinin. Next comes gibberellin. What is gibberellin? Gibberellin that regulates the cell elongation, and this hormones is responsible for the stem elongation in the plant. So this hormones promotes the stem elongation between the nodes of the stem. So this denotes through the GA. Next comes abscisic acid. Abscisic acid inhibits cell division in the plant, and by this way, normally in the somatic embryogenesis, this hormone is used mostly. Next comes ethylene. What is ethylene? Ethylene is the hormones that is responsible for the ripening in fruits, and this presents as a gaseous form. So this hormones is different from the other hormones. Next, this is the some points that I have taken. So during the tissue culturing process, we'll take the ratio of the auxin and cytokinin, and different ratio favors different structure in the tissue culture. So I'll discuss about that when we'll take the intermediate ratio of the auxin and cytokinin in the plant system. So in the plant tissue culture system, then callus is formed. When we'll take the low auxin concentration as compared to the cytokinin, then shoot formation is occurred. And when we'll take the auxin in higher concentration as compared to the cytokinin, then root formation is occurred. So we can say this picture is showing that rooting process is occurring in this process, and in this picture shooting process are there. So we can say this is the callus formation, this is the shooting formation, and this is the rooting formation. So during the plant tissue culture, different ratio of the cytokinin auxin is taken, and that favors the different structure in the plant tissue culture. So this ratio of the hormones is very important for the plant tissue culture. So during the plant tissue cultures will require the different concentration, will measure the different concentration of the auxin and cytokinins. So enough for today. Thank you.